Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com, and on today's video I want to show you how to edit and save rows and columns using DropFunnels. So for some reasons it wasn't straightforward to me, but it's like really simple. So I want to, for example, edit these two blog posts, and so what I want to do is to save this save and edit this column alone. Okay, so I'm gonna click on DropFunnels, and so as you can see right here on the editor, I don't have access to this column settings. So if I want to update the over animation, so you see it's gray and it turns to black when I put my mouse on it, on the shadow, and I want to have access to this thing, but I didn't know how to do this. And it's really simple, it's really straightforward. Just put your mouse on edit column and column settings, and so you will have the settings of the column right here. Okay, and so you can update the shadow and do basically whatever you want on the edit. So this is how you edit a column inside of DropFunnels. Now I want to save this column to use on every blog post talking about this knowledge broker blueprint. So what I'm gonna do is save as, and saying write column KBB, and I want this to be global, because like every post that I want to make about the KBB, the knowledge broker blueprint, then I want to have the exact same right column on the entire website. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And so when I'm gonna update, so I have to publish, and then I have to update this again. And so right now I just have to go there, column settings, and it created a column. And so what I have to do, edit column, minimum 8. Okay, so I have to update this size from this website. Okay, and I want this to be 33%, so 1/3 on the right and 2/3 on the left. Okay, and so basically right now, every time that I want to create a new blog post, all I have to do is to go to rows, column, saved column, and I just have to drag and drop this anywhere I want. So if I want to put it here, then it's gonna split the screen again into with another column. And so I want to put this back to 33, click done and publish. And so this is how you save a column and edit a column using DropFunnels. Now if you want to save a row, this is exactly the same. So basically what you have to do, and I have this entire template that I'm using over my entire website. So you see like every different blog post will have this title, this YouTube subscribe, and this Facebook like button, and this right column, this video, and the text right here. And so to save this row, this is an entire row where I have different column and different modules inside, and I want to go to row settings, and so I can save this entire thing as a row. So every time that I want to create a blog post, for example, I just have to go inside of row, saved rows, and blog freedom formula. And so this is what I've saved right here. Okay, and basically that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment if you have any question, and as usual, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button. That helps me grow the channel, helps me show this video to as many people as I can, and help you guys out. So that being said, have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace!